So right now, nandito naman tayo sa Block 5, Lot 11, which is a 280 square meter lot, no? Guys, itong lote na to, this is located in this block, beside this cul-de-sac, no? Guys, if you're looking for exclusivity, there are some owners and clients na gusto nila, no? Kayo-kayo lang yung nandito. Ang ganda lang kasi napaka-exclusive lang ng block na ito sa limited owners and kung sino lang yung nasa block na ito. And as you can see, this is just beside this pocket garden or playground, no? So if you're starting family, you're building your small family or starting family kayo, yung mga kids nyo or even big families, no? Imagine, hindi nyo na po need ng playground inside your house. Tatawid lang kayo with this playground and magagamit nyo na siya. And this lot also is near the guardhouse, as you can see. And I can say na it's more accessible going in and out of this village. So guys, itong 280 square meter na to, the total contract price is only 19.8 million. But then, no guys, this is 5 years to pay at 0% interest for as low as 24,000 pesos per month, no, with annual lump sum. And guys, after 5 years, no, hindi naman na ito yung value niya. As you can see, dito sa mga township natin, no, yung mga buildings na nakikita nyo sa likod, sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, yung One Corporate Place office natin, napuno na siya agad ngayon ng different companies. What will be the future of this village and town? This is soon to be the central business district of this Cavite, and after 5 years, hindi na ito yung value niyan. For now, you only have to reserve it for 70,000 pesos, and after 30 days, mag-start na kayo for as low as 24,000 per month. Again guys, kung gusto nyo tong lote na to, please call me in my number below. Yan, and then I'm ready to assist and tour you dito sa Maple Grove. Again, this is Freddy Del Rosario. Please contact me if you love or if you want to reserve this lot.